Today, I'm going to show you how to make a spicy, fiery, incredibly delicious egg curry. So let's begin. But before we begin, make sure you bang that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for updates every single time I post a new video. Now let's start making the curry. Take 3 boiled eggs and cut lines through the egg very lightly using a small paring knife. You can also use 6 eggs if needed without doubling the rest of the ingredients. Light up your stove and add 1 tablespoon of oil into a frying pan. Let the oil heat up and lightly fry all the boiled eggs. You don't want them to become fully golden brown. You just want it to become in a few spots. Make sure you use a pair of tongs when flipping the eggs. You don't want to burn yourselves. Now blend 2 green chilies and 1 cup of fresh yogurt to a smooth liquid. In a separate pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 dried chili. Once that dried chili becomes black and burnt, it's going to release all that spicy flavor to your curry. Now add 1 medium onion, which should be blended, and note that once you add the onion, it's going to start smoking a lot. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. This is my secret ingredient and brings out a ton of flavor from your curry. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Continue mixing until all the curry powders are well incorporated. Next, add half a cup of tomato paste. And I recommend using fresh tomatoes because it brings out a much more delicious flavor. Then add 100 milliliters of water and continue mixing. Add the yogurt mixture. Once you add the yogurt mixture, it's going to cool down a little bit and reduce the amount of smoke. Now add a good amount of salt according to your taste and mix well. Now for the last ingredient, add the fried boiled eggs and cover it with a lid for 2 minutes. Make sure that you pour a little bit of gravy on each and every egg so that all that spice in the gravy is gonna seep into the egg through the little lines we cut earlier. It's been exactly 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, it's going to start boiling. Just give it a good mix and you're all done. I transferred it to a traditional clay pot so that I had to make serving a little more fancy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.